Welcome to MEYLE TV. Today I want to talk about the different oil filters installed in a VW-DSG gearbox. This gearbox is a 02E, or also known as DQ250 gearbox. There are several filter types installed from factory. There's one filter installed with a rubber lip, or later models have a filter installed with a plastic sealing lip. Then we have the MEYLE filter, which replaces both of them. There's a difference between these filters. The sealing of the filter with the rubber lip is through the rubber lip. The sealing of the other filters, the one with the plastic lip, is because the closure cap presses them down. You can also see the height differences between the filters. The one with the rubber lip is quite shorter than the one with the plastic sealing lip. We will just show how the filters are differently sitting in the gearbox. This is a filter with a rubber sealing lip. It's also loose and it will be put in place by putting down or screwing down the closure cap. Now we put in the MEYLE filter with the plastic sealing, and it sits a little bit more loose, but when you screw down the closure cap, it will be centered and pressed down and seals properly. Thank you and see you next time. For our video describing the entire automatic gearbox oil change, please click on the video link.